Welcome my dear student in this new topic, and the today's topic is VX works task synchronization and mutual exclusion. In that, first we see the signaling. The signaling means the binary semaphore that is representing a condition over the event that task is waiting for. The sim we create and initialize a binary semaphore faster and simpler. Then after signaling, it may contain the events, that is inter-task communication. There are three parts in that one, that event send, event receive and event clear. Event send means send the event to any register. Event receive means receive event from register. And event clear means clear the content of event register. Events can be sent to the multiple receivers, binary semaphore to only one. Message queue. Message queue is the half duplex inter-task communication. The queue is order as per the message's priority. There are again four parts in that one. It is message queue create, message queue delete, message queue send, message queue receive. Message queue create means allocate and initialize a message queue. Then message queue delete means deallocate and free a message queue. Message send means send a message to message queue. Message queue receive means receive the message from message queue. These are the half duplex inter-task communication in message queue will get performing. After that, there is the pipes, the virtual input-output devices which act as a buffer for the task manager for the task messages. The pipes are named using open, close, read and write. There is pipe DRV. It is initialized pipe driver. DRV is initialized the pipe driver. Pipe DV create, that is create pipe device. Pipe DV created. In that it contains character name, integer and message, integer and byte also. Along with that, it has the pipe DEV delete, that is delete this pipe device. Pipe DEV delete, that is character name, bull force. VX works interrupt handling. It uses an IVT to provide ISR, interrupt service subroutine. ISR are connected to the unique interrupt vector numbers. This IVT contains the addresses for the ISR represented by the interrupt vector. A VX work interrupt handler. It saves the CPU interrupt context. It calls the C language's ISR and execute it. It restores the CPU context after the control returns. The VX works interrupt management routine. It contains the total 7 routines are to be there. First one is int lock. It means lock out the interrupt to VX work. Int unlock means unlock the interrupt to VX work. Then int lock level set means set the corresponding interrupt lock out level. Int lock level get means get the corresponding interrupt lock out level. Interrupt connect means connect the C routine to the interrupt vector. Int enable means enables the corresponding interrupt, and int disable means disable the corresponding interrupt. These are the certain VX work interrupt management routines are to be available. In the VX work, and these are the different routines. That routines are int lock, int unlock, int lock level set, int lock level get, int connect and int enable and int disable, like this one.